Okay. Chicken there.
Yeah.
Expire nini? 2025. Iyenziwe nini? January 2024. Chicken yonke. Ah, mina kancane bafethu. Yeah. Alex. Yeah. Don't write this at least at all. Yeah.
Taste it. I buy it last night by Opa. Taste it. No, don't lose your phone. I'm sick. I'm a veggie. I'm not eating healthy, bro. Why you give me something I cannot eat? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know me?
No.
You don't know me?
How much you...
Call Opa. Make Opa. Wake up, Opa. Do something. Let I get Opa, my bro.
My bro, listen, Opa is not here.
Where Opa?
Opa is too.
Now, eat. Then you can try if you can eat it.
Eat.
Feel like me last night, my bro. Feel it.
Yeah, I know. I can give you ginger, my bro.
You think that is going to make anything better? If I get sick of that one and then we gotta change that. We gotta make me healthy again. Huh?
How much you think about this one?
I don't care about the price now. I only care about my health, my bro. You see, just like you. But now I want Opa now, my bro. Don't play with me, my bro.
Opa is not.
Don't play with me, yeah.
You don't believe me, my bro. Opa is not here, please.
Wat
kan je nou? Kan ik
Geef je? Wat toch jou? Ik wacht jou terug en ook op voel die kakte maat. Ik kan het kaas bijten. Can't even bite it.
Lenzani madoda? Lenza bops. Ya kulezi ezi-expire angithi. Ama-bioplus asuka madoda. Hey man, ziyabulala lezi.
Izine-water park.
Gerald angibheke lapho. Oh, niya destroy. Niya eliminate la. Awuzweke. Number 1. Ithaka.
Some chicken shells. Yeah. Chickers. So we bought this potatoes at Chickers. Check out all this stuff. Chickers in Casey. This is on the shelf, the quality of the potatoes on the shelves. Expired goods. Whole pack of potatoes down the drain. How could they put this on the shelves? I don't have a system in place to only sell fresh stuff. Isn't this like the great Checkers? Nah. And you thought it was only the Spaza shops. It's time to grow our own food, guys. This is from Checkers, guys. This is how the bag looks after taking out all the potatoes. Check, there's a packaging date, 5/45. Is that even a date? They don't tell you the year. There's only 31 days max in a month. Can't be the 45th of May. But other than that, there's no expiry date or expiry date at all in this thing.
That the councillors have been mobilizing, and because we have postponed it before, and it's one of those communities that are very
decided to come to Tepiso at one of the Spaza shops in this area. So we've actually brought in the environmental health, and we've got JMPD and other units. So what we're doing now, we're just checking, we're inspecting the food to check if it's not expired. So some of these, they're expired, and then some of these vinegars, they're not, these are like Fong Kong. They're not supposed to be sold in the shops. we've got also creams. Sorry, what's another? Yeah, and broken packets. And then also we've got some medicine or some lotion for ladies that's not supposed to be sold in these shops here, because some of these creams, they've got what is called a hydroquinone, which can cause you, the skin cancer. It's a whitening, the substance that makes you light, but you can have, the skin cancer and all of that. So we're confiscating all of these, and then some of these, they've got with these packets, they got some solotapes. Yeah, so this is what we're doing here at the song. Yeah, so we've got the EMS is here to check on the compliance, and then some of the people, we've asked the guys here that they must not sleep here, because you find that what they're doing is the owners of the shops, they are cooking here, they are sleeping here, they are showering here, they are doing number 2 here, which is not right. It's illegal and it's not healthy. So this shop, we are going to close it because of actually that. So as you can see, the guys are still busy here, they're doing all the checks and all of that. So yeah, thank you very much.